Da-da-da, will our love grow? Gawin ingekame Danzeen. You stick around and it may show. Gawin ingekame Danzeen. Do you want some eggs, my boy? Oh, hey there, Grandma. Yeah, sure, I'll take some eggs. I gotta do a podcast first, but this should just take a minute. Have you been outside yet? How is it, Agwaching? Anin, Ojibwe bak Agwaching. Oh, it's really nice. The sun's coming up. Yeah, okay. Maybe that'll be the word today. Okay, I'm just going to cue up the music here and get started. Let's see, where is it? Here we go. And BOOZHOO ni Janashinabe Doog. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO an indigenous cause, and our special phrase today is sunrise, mooka'am, sunrise. And let's see, what can I say about mooka'am in Ojibwe culture? Well, you know, in our way, we honor mooka'am, we honor the sunrise, we honor Jesus. You know, it's good to get up early in the morning when the sun is coming up. It's good to get out there with your sema. Offer some tobacco to the spirits of the east. Hold that tobacco up and say, BOOZHOO Jesus. Dapanan niwiya sema, manadugo wede, wabanung. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the east. Because that's where mooka'am is. It's in the east. And, just put out some tobacco and say, miigwech. Thank the Kichi Manadu for all your blessings. Because there's two things I learned. Well, there's one thing. I learned a couple of things, but they say you can't feel two things at the same time. You can either feel anxiety or you can feel gratitude. But it's hard to be worried about stuff and grateful for stuff at the same time. So I say just go out there and be grateful. I'd rather be grateful than worried. And then at night, Bangishimo, when the sun sets, be grateful that you made it through the day. Say miigwech. All right, and I want to say miigwech to you people watching this podcast this morning. It's going to be a good day. And I'm wishing you all the best. So, okay, that's all I got for today. I'm going to say, Giga Wabamin, Minawa. I will see you again. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minawa. Owa. All right, good enough. Hey, Grandma, you got any more muckade mush kiki wabu? I'm all out of coffee.